What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-Minute Garden Tip, I'm going to show you the thing that everybody gets wrong about cucumbers and how to fix it. Most gardeners grow their cucumbers like they grow their indeterminate tomatoes. They set the plants out after their last spring frost and assume that they will grow all throughout the summer until their first fall frost. But that almost never happens. Cucumbers have rapid lifespans. They germinate quickly, they produce their fruit quickly, and they die quickly. This fence right here back in June was full of cucumber vines producing tons of cucumbers, but they're long dead now that it's August. Cucumber vines simply don't live long. Even if you don't have issues with pests and diseases in your climate, they will generally only live about 3 to 4 months after transplant and start naturally dying back. Here where I live on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, I'm lucky to get 2 to 3 months out of cucumber vines after transplanting. Trying to keep old, tired vines alive through things like pruning and over-fertilizing is just pointless. Instead, let's use their rapid lifespan to our advantage and succession plant our cucumbers. I plant a fresh wave of cucumbers every 4 to 6 weeks. While my first wave is long dead, this second wave right here is hitting its prime now that it's the first week of August. And I am getting tons of cucumbers all over these young vines. And keep in mind, I've been harvesting these for about 2 weeks. This super productive variety right here is called Party Time, and it's one of my favorites. And this larger variety right here is Merlin, also one of my favorites. Well, it would be a lot larger, but I've been progressively picking them because I love picking them in the smaller stage. But I have a third wave of cucumbers right here, and it's only one plant, but this Merlin right here is starting to grow up this big pole right here, and it is just starting to set its first few fruits. So when those vines get tired that I just showed you, this one will start coming into its own. And I have a fourth wave of cucumbers in grow bags right here that I direct sowed. You can direct sow your cucumbers when it's nice and warm in the middle of summer. And that Merlin is coming up after only about 5 or 6 days, as is this Party Time. However, if you'll notice, it does look like a pest has taken a few bites out of that leaf right there. That's one of the problems when you choose to direct sow cucumbers. The young seedlings are sometimes a little vulnerable. And I probably still have time to sow another wave. If you have a last frost date around the end of March, 1st of April, like I do, you can easily sow 4 to 5 waves of cucumbers a year. If you have a last frost date in April, you can easily get 3 to 4 waves. If you have a last frost date in May, you can easily sow 2 to 3 waves. Don't bother trying to keep that original planting of cucumbers alive. Succession plant them again for harvest all the way until frost. I'll place links down in the video description to some of my favorite cucumber seeds as well as my favorite products to grow cucumbers for your convenience. And that's today's 2-Minute Garden Tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.